backyard.
Cut the branch.
My shed's not quite that big. Danny's a bit weird. Oi, what are you doing? You pack it in the hydroponic shed, not in the wheelbarrow.
You can go and look at your phone for a while if you want, mate. Yeah, year 11s are out of school already.
Oh, right.
You can cut any amount of that out.
Thank you.
That's how I found them.
Because if you don't, Anne will.
Yeah.
Squizzy.
Thank you, Stephen.
Now that's just the few that you've disturbed doing it.
Yeah.
And they're not attacking you either.
No. Little stun there.
Look, they fell off then.
Yeah.
One quick shake.
Yep.
See if they think home's good enough. Can you see it? Yeah, they're heading up beside the box, so I think they're thinking she's in there.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're dropping in the box.
Are the
They're
others,
going down.
are the ones on the other side doing anything?
They're climbing up beside the box to get in.
No, the ones on the other side of the tree.
Hard to tell. I'll have a look. No, they're still there.
Yeah.
So that'll be 2 queens then, one on each piece.
I'm going to go to 2 boxes because I don't know at this stage.
Okay.
That it's possible, but it's also possible they're 2 little subswarms from the same
Same
colony.
queen. Okay.
They did come out 2 days apart. so
Yeah.
that looks to be successful. Do you wait for them to get happy before you try the other one?
I could start the other one. Just keep your eye on the cluster still in the tree.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's
We
pretty
either
cool.
still have a queen up here or definitely go to pheromones, so they're a little bit confused with what they need to be right now.